Yo, it's your boy JAYTELLY and welcome to my vlog channel. I have done a vlog this morning of me getting my hair done. Little trip up into Ealing Broadway, get a few bits from my dad. But I forgot to do an intro. So as you can see, my hair is pretty much done. I will insert a video next of my hair before it was done. But you know, my first time vlogging, I got a bit too excited, jumped in the car and just pressed record, forgetting to do an intro. But anyway, please enjoy the video. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Your boy's out. Hair's looking crisp. Get me. Now, time to hit the shops. Hey, see what's going on? Yeah. Dinner is here. What we saying though? What we saying? Lovely jubbly. Nom 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 nom. What we're dealing with right now. You get me? Oh good. Oh good. Oh good. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the food is done. Oh, pardon me. How was yours, babe?
Beautiful.
How was yours? Enjoying that, yeah?
I think the face says it all.
Alright, so now we are on the route to Poundland. Gonna go get some Gobstoppers. I'm hooked on Gobstoppers. I love them. So we're on the route to go get some of those. And hopefully get the car washed. So stay tuned and we'll take you with us. Getting the baby ready. Shader. What you eating there? Yeah? Okay.
I'm eating my toast.
Yeah. Is that lovely, lovely jubbly?
Yeah. Do you like your juice?
Let's go drive this bad boy. What are you saying, bro?
And have that basset there.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Thank you so much. The food was lovely. No worries. Thank you. Take care now. Cheers. Bye bye. You too. Have a nice day. Cheers, brother. Thank you. Alright, so where we going? Poundland?
Yeah.
Get some Gobstoppers, jawbreakers. Yeah, let's go. Got the little legs with us. HS Sam, you in the cut? Yeah, get some jewels in that. Hold tight, JD. 50% off on that Eden Broadway. JD's where it's at. The cop some of them, babe. What's that? The Mackenzie fit. Yeah. What do you guys think? £30, not bad. Pair of these for my old man. You know, Mackenzie. Get me some Adidas. JD's packed right now. What's the matter, miserable? Why are you being miserable? Okay, well, I'm off to go get me some Gobstoppers from Poundland. Let's go. Sorry. Man, Poundland right now is a mad thing. But we're off to go get some Gobstoppers from Poundland right now. Ealing's busy, so if you lot are looking to come to Ealing right now, it's busy. Poundland, baby. Yeah, boy. These are the ones. £1. Alright, we got the Gobstoppers. Don't know. Let's go back to JD. We're getting a late Father's Day present for my old man. As you can see, the Mackenzies in white. He ain't got much fashion, so it'll make him happy. Do you know what I mean? It's the thought that counts. But anyway, battery's gonna die soon, so to make this quick, peace. Tired. Alright, JD's done. Alright, listen, JD Sports in Ealing, mad sale. Mad sale. Go check it out, peeps, man. It's mad. But right now, phone's gonna die. Hopefully, I wanted to get my car washed, but I don't know if we're gonna make it because my phone is on like 10%, and I wanted to show you guys that me getting my car washed, nothing special. It's my first vlog, learning how to vlog, so stay tuned. If we get the car washed, you'll see. Peace. Blow. To the car we go. Big boys. The big boys. Hey. They're the big boys. Got the sub. Shit, man. Car needs a proper clean out. Looking mad. Look at that. Oh my God. Don't watch that, yeah. That's you know, that's a thing. Got the wheels looking dead out. Car's looking cruddy, bro. Cruddy. Bro, come on, man. Look at that. We're not about that life right now. Sun's kicking out, so we need to wash the car, man. That's Ealing right now. Pack out. Mad sales in Ealing, man. Go cop them. Literally, bro, man's looking proper dark. But yeah, mad sale in Ealing. People, go cop them. Got some hood rich going on in JD's. £40 for a hood rich jumper. It's looking sweet. But you know, your boy's already patterned, so I don't really need much. But yeah, so just got word that I've got a charger in the car. I'm gonna charge the car and then hopefully go get the car washed. Do some nice little video of the car getting a wash. It needs it, man. It's dead out. Check this out. Are you crazy, bro? Are you crazy? Look, watch when it zooms in, yeah. Yeah, it's not about that life. That's something living there. It's a bit mad. But you know, we keep it moving. It's not about getting the car washed all the fucking time. Do you know what I mean? Alright, baby, ready?
Yeah.
Everyone ready?
You just pack the pushchair.
Alright, so I've got to pack the pushchair. Alright, sweet, peeps. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Bro, come on. Who said you can't pack a pushchair in a small car, yeah? If they tell you that, they're lying. Look at that. Look at that with the Gobstoppers. Are you mad? Done no. Shut that. Car wash settings right now. Quick little drive to SO, get the car washed. As you can, it's kind of packed. The one at the far end is broken. This guy over there is washing his car. He's taking time. Then we've got that car. So we thought we'd just go through the wash and drive. But now this woman is confused. I don't know what she's doing. It's because she's driving a Piang. What's that called? I don't know what that's called.
I've got one already.
Cheers, thank you. Oh, he just had to go get a code, but he's driving a Picanto. The Kia Picanto. Go on, son. Put your code in, mate. Let's go. Get this thing washed. You saw how dirty this car was, bro. It's a bit mad right now. So we got the gang. We've got little legs at the back. We've got the gang.
Hi.
Don't know. We're gonna get this shit popping. Let's see what's going on. Had to get her just a little prank. Oh man, it was jokes. My flipping finger was on the fucking camera. You couldn't see her properly, but we had to get it. I had to stop it quickly because little legs at the back was crying.
Game on. Game on. Game on.
Oh shit! I had to do it for the bands, people. I had to do it for the bands. Still up in this car wash, bruh. These things don't even do much to your car. It's kind of a bit shit, but we'll see. Yeah. Car's done. Finished project. Let's see what it's saying. It's looking alright. It's not looking too bad. Needs a bit of my wheels are just battered. Don't worry about the wheels. Still got the bird shit. Could have gone through the power wash, but you know, we'll keep it moving. Yeah, it's not too bad. Better than what it was. We keep it moving. It looks better. It looks better than it did. Can't lie to that. Alright. Next stop, home. Gentlemen, the vlog is now over. I hope you like the vlog. As you can see, I am new to vlogging. It might not be up to the, you know, the best vlogger standard, but I'm doing my best. I've always liked the idea of just vlogging my day-to-day activities. You know, I'm no one special, so I don't expect everyone to want to watch me, but those that can just, you know, have a similar sort of life that I live, you know, just standard day-to-day stuff. You know, I'll do little pranks here and there, you know, just if I go somewhere special, I'll vlog it. But it's just a journey, do you know what I mean? I like vlogging, and I just wanted to just start, you know. There's no point in saying you want to do things and don't do them. So I'm just going to do it. But anyway, I've been your boy JAYTELLY. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.